Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to make morning sweet juice. To do this, we need 2 large carrots and also pears, 7. The pears are sweet, so these are perfect for our morning sweet juice. And also I have an inch of ginger. These are just optional, so it's really up to you. You can add lemon juice if you want to. Now let's start making our juice. For those of you who are asking what kind of juicer I am using here, it is Amzchef. You can check it in the description box down below. Yeah, I read some of your comment guys, and I know some of you are asking about it. So thank you so much for everything, for watching my video. I really appreciate your support of my channel. If you want to make it more sweeter, you can adjust the ingredients here that I am using. You can just use 1 carrots and add more pears or apple if that is what you want. So we're almost done, and this is now the juice that I have of the 2 carrots and the 7 pears plus an inch of ginger. So we just need to stir it a little bit in order to mix the juice of our carrots, ginger, and pears. So I have 2 glasses of juice for the carrots and pears and ginger that I am juicing for today. So this is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check our description box below, and also check the channel shout out here. They are really nice channel also, and you will learn a lot: fashion, jewelry, cooking, traveling, and a lot more. Thank you.